Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a mirror effect for your videos in Canva? Canva Mobile makes it easy to flip your video horizontally and create a mirrored version with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mirror a video in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can edit an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap video, choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find flip. Then tap flip. The flip options will appear. Select flip horizontal. Your video will now be mirrored horizontally. After adjusting the setting, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your mirrored video, and that's how to mirror a video in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra using the flip horizontal option. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.